Hey YouTube, so I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be a part of my Slay on a Budget series. This video will be in collaboration with Divatress.com. Divatress.com is an online beauty supply store that provides an amazing selection of wigs and black hair care products. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and if you would like to see how I achieve this style, then stay tuned. Okay, so for this style, you'll only need 3 things. You'll need a pair of scissors, a crochet needle, and of course the hair. The hair that I'll be using is the Outre X-Pression Loop Braid 4A Kinky Loop in the color 1B30. But I decided not to use the 30 in the pack, so I'm only going to go ahead and use the 1B. So I'm starting with about 10 braids going across the front, and they're going to connect to about 5 or 6 braids in the back. And the braid that's hanging out in the back, I will secure it with the crochet hair. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. And one thing I do like about the hair is each individual loop is a different color. So I did not use the 30, and because each of the loops are different colors, it made it easier for me to just not use the 30. And one of the things that I also like about this hair is the fact that it's very, very soft. So each loop comes with 4 strands of hair in it, and it is joined with a rubber band at the top, which forms the loop at the top, which makes it easier to crochet. So in order to crochet it, because the loop is kind of small, you want to take and open that loop up, and then you want to take your crochet needle, slide it underneath your braid, loop the hair into the crochet needle, close the crochet needle, and then slide the hair underneath the cornrow, and then loop the hair through. Okay, so let's try this again. You want to open the loop so it's big enough to maybe place about a finger or 2 in it to be able to crochet it comfortably. And then open up the crochet needle, slide it underneath your cornrow, loop the hair into the crochet needle, close the crochet needle, slide the hair underneath the cornrow, and then loop it through. If you don't want to use the pre-loop loop that the hair comes with, you'll just simply pull off the elastic band and use each individual strand to individually crochet the hair in. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, each loop comes with about 4 strands of hair in the loop. One thing I do want to mention is that when I am crocheting it individually, I do double or triple knot it, because when you don't, it's easier for the hair to actually slip out, and we don't want that. And you don't really have to double or triple knot the pre-looped hair, because that rubber band kind of acts as a double enforcement for you. This homemade vegan cheese dip was life. So this is what 3 packs of the hair installed looks like. So one of the things that I wanted to mention about the packaging that I thought was really cool is that it actually shows you a step-by-step on how to crochet, like how to cornrow the hair, insert the crochet needle, and how to actually tie it. I thought that was cool, because it's one thing to go on YouTube to look at a tutorial. It's another to actually have a how-to guide right on the packaging of the hair. So shout out to Divatress for that. So with crocheting this hair, I find that actually keeping the hair in the loop for the back is easier, and then for the front, because I don't want it as full, apart the hair and doing it individually in the front is actually better. So this is what 4 packs of hair looks like installed. So I know that I want to wear this hair in either a middle part or a side part. So what I'm going to do is install this hair using the invisible part method. So when trying to achieve the invisible part method, the technique is essentially the same. The only difference is we're going to take and loop the hair in, close the latch, pull the hair underneath, and instead of feeding both sides through that loop, you're only going to feed one side through the loop. So what this does is hide the loop in between both sides, and it creates that invisible part look. So this is what the hair looks like fully installed, and just to be on the safe side, I would say get 6 packs because this is what 5.5 packs looks like. And I love me some big hair, but now it's time to give it a little shape. So I know that I'm mainly going to be wearing this side in a side part because, let's be honest, I love my side parts. So that's the way that I'm going to start by shaping this hairstyle. But first, y'all have to deal with my antics because I was feeling myself once I did part my hair to the side. I was feeling myself. Guilty as charged. Here is the final look. If only I could get my natural hair to sit like this. So all of the information for Divatress.com and this hair will be in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this style, give this video a thumbs up and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.